So for this practice problem, we want to determine the end behavior for the following function as x approaches negative infinity. And I'm going to stick with this idea that the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 1 over x to any positive power is going to equal 0. So we're going to use that and look at the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 9x plus 5 over the square root of 25x squared minus 7. So I'm going to stick with the same technique of multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 1 over the highest power of x. And I want you to notice that I have this 25x squared, but that this x squared is underneath a square root, which means it's acting like an x to the first power. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 1 over x. And that will give me the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 9x over x plus 5 over x. And when I bring this 1 over x, right now it's outside the radical. When I bring it inside the radical, it's going to be a 1 over x squared when I bring it underneath that radical, giving me the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 9x over x plus 5 over x over the square root of 25x squared over x squared minus 7 over x squared. And if we simplify this, I'm going to bring this up here. We have the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 9 plus 5 over x over the square root of 25 minus 7 over x squared. And using this idea that the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 1 over x to the n power is going to equal 0, I know that this is going to go to 0, and I know that this is going to go to 0. So this is going to leave me with 9 over the square root of 25, or 9/5.